The rise of electric vehicles is leading to major changes in the automotive industry. In response to the new production testing demands, AVL introduces innovative and sustainable test systems, consistently fulfilling its promise to deliver high-quality solutions on time. Our AVL E-Axle end-of-line test systems provide fully automated testing and enable 24/7 unmanned operation. Manual rigging and de-rigging are unnecessary, as all connectors are automatically plugged in. AVL's compact solutions help minimize space requirements and lower costs. Achieving takt times of less than 90 seconds per testbed is feasible. With an additional parallel line, test capacity can surpass 350,000 units annually. The modular mechanical design ensures maximum flexibility for seamless automated testing of various e-axles. We reduce overall energy consumption and grid connection costs by utilizing a closed energy loop between the e-axle, the testbed, and the DC source. Depending on the quality assurance strategy, a certain percentage of all e-axles undergo additional, more extensive testing with QA testbeds. The AVL E-Axle Quality Audit and COP test systems ensure the highest product quality by performing real-time analysis of e-axle OK or not OK test results directly on the testbed. Centralizing data from the entire production environment on a server empowers machine learning algorithms and artificial intelligence to uncover profound insights. This will enable more comprehensive analysis and optimization of both the product and the production process. With a global presence and a worldwide service organization, AVL ensures seamless support and expertise wherever you are. AVL solutions offer excellent reliability, reduced takt times, and AI-enhanced data processing. We are ready. Contact us.